No? No? Okay. But have you ever eaten sushi?
Yes.
Yes. Perfect. All right. So, first, well, I'm going to teach you how to make two different kinds of sushi. First is a sushi called maki. Maki means roll. So we're going to use this bamboo mat to make a roll, yeah? That's the first attempt. And the second one is called nigiri. Have you ever tried nigiri? Yeah? Oh, yeah. Nigiri is like a little rectangular cube one, yes. You know what does nigiri means? Yeah. No? Yeah? Eh? No? It's like a grabbing. So grab by hand sushi is nigiri. Yes, that's the meaning, yeah. Okay, so first we're gonna prepare the rice. That's the demonstration part, but anyway, I'm just gonna introduce the ingredients. This is rice vinegar, just a plain rice vinegar. And this is sugar and salt, just a little bit. I'll pass you a recipe through Timothy, so you're gonna get the
okay, great, wonderful.
Yeah? All right, so first we're gonna pour. You're gonna be my sous chef, okay? Okay, what's your name?
Colin.
Colin. Okay, nice to meet you, Colin. So now, please help me. This is the vinegar. You can pour all the vinegar in and mix it well.
All right.
You didn't want to cook.
Okay. Don't be nervous. Yeah. Just pouring in and mix. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay. Until it all dissolves, please. Yeah.
Hurry it up, Colin. I'm trying.
Okay, so now I have a very, very hot rice, just, cooked. Anyway, this is the rice called rice here. But in the States, I think it's called sushi rice. Yeah, sticky sushi rice. Short grain rice, and after you steam it, it's sticky, yeah? You look so serious. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, and this is the kombu. It's kelp. Yeah, seaweed. Okay. We put the dried kelp when we steam the rice with water because it brings some more umami flavor. Okay. But once you've done it, we just, throw it away, take it away. All right, so now the rice needs to be this hot. Otherwise, when you mix with the vinegar, it doesn't mix well. It gets soggy. So make sure you use the hot rice, okay? So now, Ron, you can pour all the vinegar, please.
Just on the rice?
Yeah, on the rice, please. Yeah, I take your, all over.
Good stuff, Colin.
Very good. Okay, thank you. All right, thank you. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to mix. We don't say punching, we say slicing. Yeah, we want to slice and fold from the bottom gently. No pressing down. We just slice it and then fold. All right, so now you're my next sous chef. Okay? All right. So can you puddle the rice? Just puddle the rice and slice, and then fold gently like that. Yeah, can you do that? Yeah. Then I can just relax a bit. Yeah? No, actually, this fan is for the rice. We need to cool it down quickly. So can you fan? Yes, not him. Yeah, the rice. Yeah. That's good. Yeah, you can fan him, the sous chef too. Yeah. Okay. Can you see the rice is getting a bit shinier? Yeah. Yes. That's good. And this part is a bit dry because the vinegar is not mixed well. So yeah, you can tell with the eyes. Yeah. All right. So the reason why we want to puddle and then flip, fold from the bottom is we don't want to make it mushy or gummy texture. So just try to keep the grain shape as it is. That's very important. All right, that looks perfect now. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. Good job. Okay, so the rice is prepared. But once you prepare the rice, please make sure you gather all the rice to one part to minimize the surface. Okay, because if you just spread it, it gets drier soon. So, and once you've done it, please put the wrap so it won't go dry so soon. And a lot of people put this in the fridge. That's a big mistake, yeah? And what we normally do is put in the pantry, room temperature, fine, until tomorrow. It's safe. The reason is we put quite a lot of sugar, vinegar, salt, which preserves longer and quite safe. So actually sushi is a preservative food. You know that? Yeah? Yeah, but well, once you put the fresh fish, it won't, you know, it won't be like that. But like it used to be, it was not fresh fish. We normally pickle all the fish, then preserve it longer. That was, style. Anyway, I just leave it here, and then now I have my little two things. Yeah, it's already pre-packed, and you're gonna get two packages already made. Yeah. So anyway, both of them are the same portion. So make sure you have two. All right. And the first thing to do at the table is wear the glove, because rice is very, very sticky. So please make sure you wear the glove. You already did. Yeah. Good. Okay. So talking about the mat. Now this is a roll mat. But there are two ways. So I'm showing the front side. Can you see the back side is a little different texture? Can you see the difference? Yeah? Okay, so shiny flat side up when you roll it. So we're gonna use this side, yeah? And this is the back side. And can you see the knots? Yeah? Make sure knots are away, because if the knot is close to you like this, when you roll it, it tangles. Right. Yeah, this is a little short knots, but sometimes it's very long. So yeah, make sure that too. Mats shiny up and knots away. And then we have a nori, seaweed here. Okay, here is the nori, but can you see there is also two ways. I'm showing the back side as well. Shiny, rough. Can you tell the different texture? Yeah. So shiny side needs to come outside in the end. After you roll it, so which means shiny down. Yes, shiny on shiny, correct. Yeah. So shiny on shiny, and then make sure the bottom of the line is on the same line as the mat. Yeah. And then please open one of your packets. Either is fine because it's the same portion. Anyway, once you open up, please make sure you gently stretch it, like making a little log, like this stick. Okay, place it in the center, like this. Yeah. And then one finger on top need a space, but from here down to the bottom, please stretch it nicely like this. No squeezing or no punching, okay? And then, yeah, everyone, can you follow me? Hands up. And then can you make your hands like a finger like this? Meow. Yeah. I heard yes, wild cat there. Okay, so anyway, remember these cat hands? The reason why we want to make these hands is we don't want to press it down. Instead, we want to scratch gently. Scratch and spread. Meow. Meow. Yeah, you need a hello kitty, kitty, yeah? Okay, so just spread it to the very edge, yeah? To the very edge. And also, one more time, I'm gonna repeat this, but only on top need a 1 finger space. Why is that? Because we're gonna roll it, and this is going to be the seam. So we don't want to make it too gummy, yeah, on the seam. So anyway, 1 finger space, but the rest you need to spread it nicely like this. Okay, everyone likes wasabi?
Ooh.
Yes. Yes. Okay, you like it? No? Okay, you try it. You gonna try it? No. It's not too bad.
It's fine.
Okay, this is fresh wasabi, so it's not like strong or, you know, as your fake wasabi. Anyway, if you like it, put this in the middle and paste it to draw a line like this, yeah, gently. Okay, if you don't like it, no need to put it. But wasabi is actually, should be inside the roll, not mixing with the soy sauce. Yes, that's the correct way to use. The reason is it's not only for the taste, but also it's gonna work as an antibacterial. That's why we want to, you know, put it inside to, you know, stop increasing the bacteria. Yeah. Okay. So cucumber, same one, same you know length. Egg omelette together, and avocado on top. Crab stick, just on top, just piling up like Mount Fuji. Yeah. Okay. Too short, yeah. Anyway, okay, we're gonna roll it now, but concentrate. Okay, lift up your mat, and this bottom will be tacked down here. If you hesitate, it comes back like this. So please lift up your mat properly, and this edge will be covering completely the ingredients. And then once you tack it, tack inside a little gently. Don't squeeze this part. Avocado will come up. Yeah. So just tack and stick. Once you tack it, gently open up. It's now tacked. Yeah. And touch here and touch your arm. If it's as tough as your arm, it's successful. If it's too loose, again, just make sure it's nice and tough. Yeah. Okay. After all, now lift up your mat and then gently rolling over to the end. Yeah. No squashing. Just massage to seal the last. Yeah. Okay. Now, voila, there we go. Thank you. All right, so next step, you need to find the seam, yeah? If your seam is up when you are cutting, it's gonna open up. So make sure seam is down, yeah? And also, please make sure mat's away. Don't cut your roll on the mat, please, yeah? All right, then now seam down, and you have a wet towel, wet napkin, so please make sure you wet the knife because the rice is very sticky. So you wet the knife first, and then we want to start from the middle, yeah, from the center. Don't cut from this edge, always from the middle, and sew and slice. If you press it down, your roll will be ruined. So yeah, just be careful. And once you cut the middle, you can clean up again and half again. 4 is the best size. If you go more than 4, it's gonna be too small and start to open up and break it. So please make sure you keep 4 pieces, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sushi roll, yeah? There you go. Alright, so next I'm just gonna continue the next one, which is the nigiri. So you have another rice package, so please open this up and easy, right? Okay, so now you have another package. We want to divide this into 5 pieces. Do you know how to count in Japanese? Ichi? Ichi? Oh, too fast. Ni, san, shi, go. Yeah, okay, so you got 5 pieces of little rice. Like a smaller than golf ball, yeah? Anyway, once you make 5 pieces, we want to make this into like a Lego block, rectangular cube, not the square, rectangular cube, yeah? So please make sure you did this first, and don't squeeze too much. It's gonna be too gummy and pressed down. We want to make it nice and soft. So we just want to gently make it like a little Lego cube, like that. Okay, maybe this is too small, so you can just, yeah, give it. All right, so you have 5 pieces. Now I'm gonna introduce today's topping, and we have 5 of them here. And guess what's this? Salmon. How about this red one? Tuna, great. And egg omelette. How about these 2? Anybody?
Red snapper.
Red snapper? Perfect. Yeah, this is red snapper with a pink edge. Yeah, red snapper. How about this silver one?
Yellow
Cod?
tail.
Oh. You got the answer, yellowtail.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, this is yellow. This is yellowtail. Yeah, it looks like a cod or something, very similar, but yeah, this is yellowtail. Oh, sorry. So the most important thing to know is I'm setting up on the plate, nice side up already. So what's the nice side and the not nice side is I'm showing you the edge of the yellowtail with this silver edge. Can you see? It's silver, yeah? And this is the pretty side. This is the pretty side. And if you look at the back, there is no such a gray edge. Yeah? So that's going to be the back side with the rice. Okay, so the rest is the same. Well, egg is the same, so it doesn't really matter. But probably tuna is hard to tell because there is not such an edge. So you can see a little scoring on the surface. Maybe,
Yeah.
can you see?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm putting some scoring on the surface so that it bends well. And once you put the soy sauce, it goes between the line. So it's nice, yeah? So can you see the, yeah? So that's gonna be the front side, all right? Okay, so let's do nigiri. Now, with your left, pick up your fish. That's the left-hand side is your fish side. And make sure it's back side up. This is the front with brown edge. Back side up and tips of your finger, this angle. Not in the middle or here, of course, and tips of your finger. You're gonna see the reason why. And if you like wasabi, you can put wasabi in the middle. No pasting, just a tint, yeah? And put the rice long side together, like this. 1, 2, 3, flip. Yeah, now flatten your hands like this. So if it's inland here, you can't flip it. So please make sure it's on the tips of your finger like this. Flip, and now move to the position which is the border between palm and finger. And everyone follow me. Make your right hand side piece together, 2 fingers together, and your thumb is parallel like this, J shape. That's it, yeah, J shape. You make the J shape, and remember 2 fingers comes on one side of the nigiri, and your thumb is the other side, and pressing, putting a pressure. Can you see? I'm just putting the pressure. You can put a little gentle, yes, pressure.
Nice.
And now, yeah, rice is covered with the fish. Yeah, side, top. Yeah, okay, so I'm showing you again. Back side up, wasabi, rice, same length, yeah, same long side. Flip, move to the position, side pressure, top pressure, side pressure. All right, one more time with the tuna, rice on top, flip, side, top, side. Okay, well, a lot of people sometimes mistake. They put this and then not the long side, they cross it like this and then make it shorter. This is the wrong way to wrap it. So make sure long side together, like that, flip. Move to the position, side, top, side, pressure. The last is the egg. Well, egg is sweet, you know? Yeah, it's supposed to be like a dessert here. So we're gonna serve this in the end. Anyway, for dessert, you don't like wasabi, yeah? So we just put the egg on top and it doesn't stay.
Yeah.
It doesn't stay, yeah? So what we need to put is, we have a nori band to tie around. So rice first, yeah, egg on top and shiny side up. Stick it first, well, like this, and then stick it around. And the back is going to be sealed well, like this, yeah? Okay, then the egg is top side, of course. And now we're gonna do a plating. That's the fun part, okay? And we have a bamboo for decoration. It's not for you to eat, so don't do this. Yeah, some students ask me seriously, can we eat this? Maybe they are too hungry. But anyway, yeah, this is only for decoration, but actually bamboo also have an antibacterial effect. So that's why we use this one for sushi, yeah? Okay, so how to decorate? Normally, we put white fish from the left. So snapper, yellowtail, lighter flavor comes first. And then tuna, and the egg is always the last, yeah? And then two maki here,
Wow.
two maki
Beautiful.
here, and then your dinner will be like this today.
Sugoi.
Okay, so now it's time for you to make your own. Now please go back to your table and then...
Big homework. You
It's
explained
40
very well.
Thank you so much.